In today's lecture I will explain what is function and types of functions. In mathematics, a function is a relationship between a set of inputs, called the domain, and a set of outputs, called the range, where each input is uniquely associated with one output. Functions are a fundamental concept in mathematics and have wide applications in various fields. Types of functions. One-to-one function. A function is said to be one-to-one if every element in the domain corresponds to a unique element in the range. In other words, different inputs yield different outputs. Mathematically, if fx1 equals fx2, then x1 equals x2. One-to-one functions are also called injective functions. Onto function. A function is said to be onto if every element in the range is mapped to by at least one element in the domain. In other words, the range of the function coincides with the entire codomain. Onto functions are also called surjective functions. One-to-one correspondence function. A function is said to be a one-to-one correspondence if it is both one-to-one and onto. This means that every element in the domain is uniquely mapped to an element in the range, and every element in the range is mapped to by exactly one element in the domain. One-to-one correspondence functions are also called bijective functions. Many-to-one function. A function is said to be many-to-one if multiple elements in the domain can map to the same element in the range. In other words, different inputs may yield the same output. Constant function. A function is said to be a constant function if all the elements in the domain are mapped to the same element in the range. The output value is constant regardless of the input. Identity function. An identity function is a function where the output is the same as the input. It is defined as fx equals x for all elements in the domain. These are some of the common types of functions. Understanding these types can help in analyzing the properties and behaviors of functions in various mathematical contexts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your peers. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Together, we can conquer mathematics.